Apple just released iOS 26.4.2 and my 6-year-old iPhone SE is still getting updates. Today I will install the update live on camera, see if the performance improves or gets worse, and let's talk about some real feedback users are giving on the internet, because honestly updates on older iPhone can sometimes make things slower. So the big question is, should you update or wait? Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more real world tech updates. Apple also included important security fixes related to data logging and system protection. So, from a security perspective, this update is definitely very important, but not everyone in the world having a perfect experience. And this is where things get interesting. Some users are reporting UI freezes, random screen freezes, laggy keyboard animations, wallpaper editor bugs, and even AirPods connectivity problems. Battery life feedback is also very mixed. Some people say battery backup improved after updating, while others say their battery drains faster than before. And honestly, this is very common with older iPhones. Sometimes updates improve optimization, and sometimes they put extra pressure on older hardware. So, alright, the update will be installing in a few moments, and that will be the exciting and scary part for an older iPhone. Let's see if my iPhone SE 2020 survives another iOS update. So, should you update to iOS 26.4.2 on your iPhone SE? Here's my opinion. The answer is yes. If you care about security, bug fixes, and long term software support, then updating makes sense. But if your phone is already struggling with battery health, overheating, lag, or storage issues, you may want to wait a little longer and see more user feedback first. For now, iOS 26.4.2 feels like a step toward better stability, but it still doesn't look completely bug free. If you also updated your iPhone, let me know your experience in the comments. Did your phone get smoother or slower? And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more real world update and tech videos. Thanks for watching.